But I guess it's also worth again flagging that for most people, the arthritic pain is successfully treated by the hip replacement.
Absolutely. So that's why at the beginning,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
I say at the beginning of the conversation, there's a 90 to 95% chance that you'll get excellent resolution of pain. You'll get really good quality of life back. And then after all of this, all of this discussion about all the horrible things that can potentially go wrong, patients like, they were quite happy at the beginning and now they're, oh, crikey. But, I kind of tend to come back and then at the end and say, we've talked about all these percentages. What I really want you to try and remember, if there's a 90 to 95% chance of it going really well and you'll be fine. And there is this, there's this small chance of a problem. Most of the problems that can occur, there are treatments for. Some of them might require surgery, but the surgeries can be quite successful. There's a very, very small chance that you will genuinely be worse than you are now, but it's possible.
Yeah.